What's up, Vibes family? Welcome back to the channel, and big up to all my loyal subscribers. Them big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You feel me? If you're a new subscriber here on the channel, thank you for subscribing and being a part of the Vibes family. You know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to just rock with us and enjoy this experience. And so today we have a good video lineup for y'all, and I want y'all to check this video out. But before we get into the video, people, I need y'all to just do this. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Now after hitting that subscribe button, I need you to turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time we drop something, okay? Put your notification bell on all. Now after you put your notification bell on all, I need y'all to like the video, share the video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. With no further ado, my people, let's get into the video. Recently, where there was a mass shooting in Clarendon, people, you don't know, 17 people shot, 8 dead, including one little youth. You feel me? Feel me, people, and everybody in an uproar. Many people are lick out against the shooting and thing. You feel me? And we're going to listen to all the people them name who passed away right about now, people. Listen, take a listen. I want them to listen good enough. You feel me? Because so the thing said.
Among the dead are Cavell Daly, 27, Diamond Bennett, 50, Aiden Bartley, 7, Errol Stewart, 68, Courtney Messam, and a woman identified only as Margaret. A man whose girlfriend was killed in the incident told TVJ News he had spoken with her minutes before the shooting.
And by the time we reach over, one of my friends called me and said, Pierre gunshot in here in Alien. So same time I call her phone. But then I get here, one of her friends answer and say, then kill her friend. I say, kill your friend, kill who then kill? And like she said, she named Margaret, like I said, then kill Margaret. I said, wait. And she said, down in Alien. At the same time, I come down in Alien, but at the same time, the police them they reach, I come see one youth right there, so I see one next youth up on the bag up, I see one little baby youth. And by the time the police them come and say, we have to leave from your son, whatever. Me say, then grown from the back again and shoot, man. You're right, and I'm going to know this.
The community is struggling to come to terms with the senseless loss of lives.
First, this ever happened around here. First, this ever happened in a lifetime.
And right now, your meds supposed to be messed up right now.
Very, very, very much messed up right now.
Because it's in spite of your girlfriend, there are many other persons.
Yeah, because most of them are my friend. Because all the youth, one of the youth were dead, and my friend, real friend, like, all we grew up together. All of us a par, close. Yo, much of on meditation right now, right? You know.
So you could have been among them. Then,
yeah.
Because everybody link up.
Yeah, because more time we link up and just have a drink and whatever.
Recently, we see where the Prime Minister came out and have condemned the killing them and have given the Jamaica Constabulary Force the green light to go after all these people by any means necessary. Let's listen to what the Prime Minister have to say.
We have given directions to the security forces to launch an all-out assault on the gangs that are involved, indeed any gang that is involved. There is no way that 8 persons can be killed in one incident in Jamaica and the state stands as if nothing happened. No. Every gang member, every gang will feel the full force of the state today.
Now we see where Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey also had this to say.
These local violent issues have international roots and incorporate local players, some of whom are incarcerated. These individuals who once were friends in Jamaica are falling out in the United States over illegal obtain gains, leading to each taking homicidal contracts to incite fear and terror. Criminal actors in prisons were contacted to facilitate these contracts through their criminal networks, resulting in the senseless bloodshed here in Jamaica.
So let me know what y'all think. Do you think the Prime Minister and the government and the security forces will live up to their word, or will just be a regular talking point because it's coming up for election? People, let me know what y'all think by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And no, people, I want you to take a listen, because this thing is serious, you know. Remember what the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Fitzbailey said? They might do everything, fake clamp down upon the mass shooting and, hand shout and assault and whatever. Well, people, right after that, another mass shooting happened. And it happened at the wake of reggae dancehall artist Christopher Martin, his grandmother wake. People are wanting to take a listen and hear what going on.
Afternoon with news of yet another mass shooting in the country. 8 persons were shot, one fatally in Point Hill, St. Catherine on Wednesday. The incident happened around 2 a.m. at a wake being held for the grandmother of reggae artist Christopher Martin. This attack comes just over a week after the deadly mass shooting in Clarendon.
Now people, hear what the reporter just said. It was just over a week. So I want to know, give this thing a deep meds, and give it some thought, because it's just over a week and then this happened at Christopher Martin grandmother wake. So the mass shooting look like it start up. So I want to take a look at what going on with Christopher Martin after him show up and grandmother wake and thing and funeral and thing. People take a listen.
A lot of prayer. So don't you ever feel like anything that is happening for me is by chance. And I say this to say to you that Tuesday night or Wednesday morning was horrible, but it could have been worse. And it's not by chance that it wasn't worse. Prayer. Years and years of prayer over my life, I tell you. I can't tell you otherwise, man.
Now, we have to ask this question. Did them stop the mass shooting? It's only a week after, We will go wait for another week after that, another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then there's another mass shooting, people. Look how the artists are crying. Feel me? Look how the artists are crying. It's a sad thing, man. And, they need to do something about this, people. You feel me? They really need to do something about this.
I remember Mama, Yeah. So I have very fond memories of my grandmother. I'll share a few of them with you. First and foremost, I don't know if favorites is a thing, but I was very spoiled by my grandmother. 100%. You hear my mother talk about beating? Nobody love beat like she, I tell you. Trust me.
We all know that grandmother, Enough Jamaicans who grew up in the 70s know what it's like to have that grandmother when your mother now no time for your call life, father and everything. You must send you go country to your grandmother love you and take care of you. And you hear him say, she don't even care what him do. Just not beat him. That's the grandmother of them time there. You feel me? Yeah. So, we could get back to the reasoning now, people. Just to make a little highlight of that. You feel me? So, you hear the reasoning. I hear the question. Will they be able to stop these mass shooting? Because if them can't stop the little 1 and 2 and 3 killing while going about the place, how them going to stop the mass killing? That more I know, people. So, if you don't have anything to say, please leave a comment in the comment section. And let me know what you think of this topic, because this is something that we have to highlight and we have to talk about in other space. So we just want to keep it going, and like I said, people, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. And with that, see you in the next video.